I-N-G.
Ing.
Says what?
Ing.
O-R in the word says?
Like you and for.
Q-U.
Cool.
What?
Cool.
A-L-A-L-L.
Ow.
E-R-I-R-N-U-R.
I'll say like you and her.
S-H. Who can spell shop?
Me.
Shop. Shop. Is that Miriam?
S-H-O-P.
All right, is she right, class?
Yay!
What you gonna tell them? All right, we're gonna go ahead and get started. We're gonna start with our first presentation by Miss Ashanti Lewis. Come on.